Feeling overwhelmed by the day? In just 1 minute, you can reset your mind and find peace. Let's discover how together, right now. Welcome to your 60-second mindfulness reset. Whether you're at work, home, or anywhere in between, this quick practice can transform your mood and your day. First, find a comfortable position, sitting or standing. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly, deeply, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension or stress with each breath out. Again, inhale. Hold. And exhale. Feel your shoulders relax, your jaw loosen, and your thoughts quiet down. Continue to breathe deeply, focusing solely on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Open your eyes slowly. Notice the calmness in your body and the clarity in your mind. That's it. You've just recalibrated your day in just 1 minute. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mindfulness exercises. Share this video with someone who could use a minute of peace, and let us know in the comments how you feel now. Remember, peace is just a breath away.